Hello, in this video in mathematics we'll be looking at functions. So we have a question that says, given that f of x is equal to 2x minus 3 and g of x is equal to 4x, find f of g of x, the inverse of f of x. Also asked to find f of g of 4 and g of f of x when it's equal to 20. So f of x is x is equal to 2x minus 3. Hence, to find f of 2, that means where there's x in f of x, you put 2. So I'm saying f of 2 is equal to 2, then when there's x, you put 2. You're having 4 minus 3, that will give you 1. Then we have b that says find f of g of x. This means in the function of f, where there's x, you put g of x. So in the function of f, where there's x, we put g. So g is 4x minus 3. So we're having 8x minus 3. That is our g of f of x. C says the inverse of f of x. So if you want to find the inverse, you need to introduce y, where there's f of x, to leave x alone. So we need to take what doesn't have x, and what has x, we leave it alone. Therefore, we need to divide by 2, divide by 2. We want to have x is equal to y plus 3 over 2. Now, the inverse of x, where there's y, you now put x. So have x plus, you have x plus 3 over 2. That's the inverse. Now to find f of g of 4, remember we had already found f of g of x, that was 8x minus 3. So this means where there's x, you now just put 4. So 8, open bracket, minus 3. So 8 times 4, that is 32, minus 3, which you are having as 29. So that's how you can find f of g of 4. We need to find g of x first, then we equate it to 20. So g, this means in the function of g, where there's x, you put the function of f. So this is g, that means where there's x, we put f of x. So we're going to have 4, open brackets, 2x minus 3, which will give us 8x minus 12. That is our g of f. Now they're saying this same g of f is equal to 20. Hence, you are finding the value of x. So this will give you 20 plus 12. That will give you 32. So I'm saying 8x is equal to 32 over 8 over 8. Since x will be equal to 4.